Have you ever gone to another country on vacation and had a dish there and you just had to have it? Well, we went to Zambia twice and they have a dish called Chibwabwa and I just had to have it. It's basically pumpkin leaves. So they grow pumpkins there, but they actually eat the pumpkin leaves. So I came home, grew some pumpkin leaves, and decided that I was going to make this Chibwabwa dish. It is one of the best dishes in Zambia. So you actually take the pumpkin leaves, you have to peel them, wash them really good, give them a nice fine chop, and you simply saute them with tomato and onion. They have a little bit of a consistency that's kind of like spinach, but a little bit thicker. It has a little bit more of a gritty taste, kind of a hearty taste. So you simply use water, a little bit of oil. You can leave it out if you're oil free. Tomato, onion, and you add your pumpkin leaves and just saute that down really good. And you're going to have a lot of leaves, but it's definitely going to saute down kind of like spinach does. So with this, we actually had a side of stewed chicken and some enchima, which is another dish that's popular over there. So I don't know if you're like me, but I had to come home and grow some pumpkin leaves.